Hello, I have some fall updates for you today. I wanted to share with you what's going on behind the scenes here at the Curl Story home studio. I'm having some issues with these curls, so what I would do with those is wet them and then finger coil them a little bit, or just hide them right underneath there. So first I wanted to follow up on my Jessie Curl video, and that was all about product layering and refreshing. So understanding what each product does and then how to come up with your own product combination that's going to work for your hair, your climate, your lifestyle. And I just tested another combo, and look at these results. And I didn't do the finger coiling on this hair. And these are day 2 curls. I did do a light refresh. All I did was, with wet hands, I just put the tiniest bit of the Spiralicious gel and then just glaze that over the top section of my hair. Just from touching it, trying to fluff it throughout the day, I caused frizz, and so I usually need to do a little bit of refresh on the top or learn to stop touching my hair so much. But it's the volume issue. So that's why usually I like to just wear my hair up, pin it up so that I don't touch it. Okay, so the lineup was, I did the rocking ringlets first. Then I put the Spiralicious gel on top of that. And then I used the Aquavescent hairspray and just sprayed that all over, up inside my hair, all around before drying it. And I used my brand new diffuser. So I'm so excited to share with you my Chi Pro hair dryer that I had for almost 15 years. It lasted forever, never had a single issue with it. I hardly even cleaned the filter, but it just recently died. So I've been a few weeks without a hair dryer now. So I was practicing a lot with air drying, but let me show you what I got. So I bought this from ULTA. Now ULTA is having their gorgeous hair event going on right now until the 23rd of October, I believe it is. So head on over to their website. There's lots of deals on all your favorite brands, and you can find this hair dryer. So this is the same brand of hair dryer that I had. This one has a lot more things, of course. It's called the Gorgeous Blowout, but it is the Chi Rocket hair dryer. It came in this beautiful package, and I took the hair dryer out already. But it came with 3 of these hair clips, so I'm anxious to try these out. There are some teeth on here, so let's just give it a try and see how I think it's gonna work. I think these are gonna work. So this is an interesting attachment. It's like a little comb, so I'm thinking I might be able to use that to just give a little shot to the roots there. And then of course they have the concentrator for blow drying your hair straight. It does come with a blow drying brush and little minis for if you're blow drying your hair straight. Let me show you the brand new hair dryer. It has the speed settings here. There's no temperature control settings though, which I found was fine. It just has a cool, or the cool is either on or off. So when I received it, it was popped up. And that was the cool setting, which I thought was really confusing because on the other dryer, I had to hold down the cool button the entire time to keep it cool. And you have to press it down to turn on the heat. And there's a temperature control here that will show you green when it's cool, and then it'll warm up to orange or red when it's heating up. This is locked on tight. I can hardly even take it off. I loved the size of this diffuser cup. Kind of lift up the roots, so I get that curl pattern starting all the way up to my roots. And then I can toggle on and off the cool and the heat setting, so I can stay in this position for a lot longer time. And what it does with the curls is that the curls are then drying in their little coiled shape. and that'll give you a lot more bounce to your curls. Oh, and yes, so I did purchase more than this at the ULTA, a gorgeous hair event. I ordered some more Inner Sense products as well. I ordered the foam and the volumizing lotion, so a few more products from that line to experiment with as well. And as you can tell, I'm very into clean beauty products because I want a simple hair care routine. With the curl story, I want to share a new chapter of curly hair styling, hair love, hair peace, and that means having dependable wash days, no more praying when you're doing your curly hair that it's gonna come out right. I want to find products that work every single time, that don't create buildup, that don't create irritation, that keep our hair healthy rather than degrading our hair's health over time the more we use a certain product. So I'm choosing these clean beauty products that actually enhance the condition of our hair, keep our hair healthy so we can have beautiful hair days every day of the week. Okay, then on to some fun new hair accessories. Look at this beauty. It's a long, slim barrette with a pretty little bow. I'm gonna be playing with some hairstyles with this one. This is like a beige color, so I thought this would be really, really sweet for fall hairstyles. It is a thin barrette, so I really just usually take the front sides of my hair and then clip it back for this look. Then this gorgeous holiday one, I can even see being really cool for Halloween, winter. These are just gorgeous beads. Isn't that amazing? Just amazing. And this is a bigger barrette, so this can definitely be for a half up hairstyle or to decorate an updo. If you check out the holiday hairstyles video from last winter, there's some updo styles there where the hair accessories are hidden, and then you can just decorate with a hair comb or a barrette, either underneath your updo or on the side of an updo for some really gorgeous looks as well. 2 large claw clips. You know, I love the tortoiseshell, especially for fall. It's just such a beautiful neutral color. This gorgeous, look how big that is. And then here's the tortoiseshell one. So I'll be playing more with those. I love updos with the claw clip much better than a bun any day because it's so much more comfortable. It looks so chic and polished. There are more things happening here with the channel. You may have already seen that I opened up an Amazon shop, so you can find a lot of my favorite products that I've been featuring in the videos there. And I've also just launched the LTK shop, and I'll be adding more exclusive content over there as well. So hopefully that'll help you find your favorite beauty products, hair accessories, hair tools, all of those items. I will do a video update on the new hair dryer, show you how it operates, and a hair drying tutorial as well with that to minimize frizz, to get more bounce in your curl and dry it faster. It's my favorite way to dry my hair. Air drying is just not for me, but I will say that I use an intermittent diffusing method. So I alternate between diffusing, give myself a cooling down break, my hair a cooling down break, let it air dry, get some other stuff done, then do a little bit more diffusing to speed up the process. So I am very reliant on my hair dryer. Then I'll be sharing some more hairstyles with these brand new accessories for fall and winter looks. And of course, playing with some more product combinations to find what works best. And there's still more fun things to come. I have lots of ideas and I can't wait to share them all with you. Let me know what you're most excited to see. And I thank you so much for supporting this curly content. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.